Hey everyone, we are the Team IT Specialist and welcome to Ibisan ANHS Senior High School. Now, let's proceed to the steps in creating crossover cable. First, using wire strippers of your crimper tools, remove approximate 2 inches of your plastic outer layer of network cable. These wires will be broken down into 4 pairs, which are each twisted together and untwist each part of the wire. Position on 8 wires according to its assigned pins in RJ45. The following colors combination should be followed. First, pin A. White, green. Green. White, orange. Blue. White, blue. Orange, white, brown, brown. Then, hold the wire securely between your fingers and prevent with falling out in orders.
And then, trim off the ends of all 8 wires to a straight line using the cutter of crimping tools so that only 1 inch remains. Next, slide all 8 wires to its proper order in RJ45 block. It is important that each wire is the same length so that they all reach the end of the RJ45 block at the same time to ensure a proper connection. And then, crimp the RJ45 with a crimping tool. Verify the wires ended up on the right order. And for the set A, pin B, at the same procedure to the set A, pin A, only the color coding should be changed. The following color coding should be followed. White, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, brown. And then twist to straight down 8 wires. And then trim off all 8 wires and cut using crimping tool. and slide all 8 wires with their proper order on the RJ45. And then crimp using a crimping tool. After creating a crossover, we have to test using the LAN tester or test light. As you can see, we are now successfully create a crossover cable. If the signal gets from one end to the cable to the other one, the green light will appear to the device, letting you know that the test is successful. If the signal does not get from one end of the cable to other one, the light will not appear on the device, letting you know that the test is not successful and that is bad in cable.